From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Sara here with your Tuesday CNET forecast. Taking a live look at Beaver Stadium, currently sitting under beautiful sunny skies, not much cloud coverage in our area, at a temperature of 64 degrees currently, and not much hindering that temperature, so we're still at a feels-like temperature of 64. Gusty winds today coming out of the west-northwest at 18 miles per hour. Temperatures in our area right now, we're all about the same temperature, other than we're a bit warm off to our southeast, 73 currently in Harrisburg, and a little bit cooler off to our northwest, 61 currently in Du Bois. Now we can get a broader look at that temperature difference as we take a look at the entire state. Only 49 right now in Erie. They didn't have much of a warm-up as we did today, 51 in Bradford and 64 in Philadelphia. Now, to put that temperature difference into perspective, we're about 11 degrees above average today for this time of year. Very far from our record. We're about 15 degrees off from our record, but we're still much warmer than we should be for this time of year. Now, taking a look at our current radar, not much going on in the region other than some cloud cover off to our southeast near Philadelphia and a bit of spotty showers up in New York, but other than that, not much going on in Pennsylvania right now. Taking a look at the entire United States, again, not much going on other than a little bit of a system off to our northwest in Minneapolis area. Now taking a look at our future weather, clouds are going to dissipate but return into Wednesday afternoon. Not going to be as warm as it was today, tomorrow afternoon, only getting up to about 45 degrees tomorrow afternoon, and those clouds will linger as we get into tomorrow. Some spotty showers are expected to move through the area and a bit of a system off to our north as well. But as we get into Thursday afternoon, temperatures will get back up into the 50s, almost into the 60s for some of us. Then clouds will move through the region and leave clear skies as we head into Thursday night. Now looking at our wind speed currently across the area, we're sitting at 18 miles per hour currently in State College and 21 miles per hour in Johnstown. Very gusty for today. And looking at our temp departure from average, we're sitting at 15 degrees above average here in State College. Not much of a warm-up in Erie, like I said earlier, only about 7 degrees of a difference, but 18 degrees difference here in Harrisburg. And it looks like the same story for the rest of the United States, except up to our north. They're about average for this time of year, but all to our south and west, they're all above average for this time of year, so it's a pretty big warm-up for all of the United States today. And now taking a look at our future weather as far as temperature, again, we're going to dip back down into the low 30s to upper 20s for most of us tonight, but tomorrow we're going to head back up into the 40s. Some areas will see 50s as well. And heading into Wednesday night, temperatures won't get as low as we're going to see tonight. And then you can see that system moving through, but that also brings a warm front into our area, which will send temperatures back up into the 60s for Thursday. Tonight for State College, 34 degrees under partly cloudy skies, calmer winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow for State College, not quite as warm, 51 degrees, mostly sunny skies in the morning with rain, chances later in the evening, wind calmer, 6 to 8 miles per hour. And taking a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see that temperatures are only going to get into the 60s one more time for at least this week's stretch. The chance for showers will dissipate as we head into the weekend with a very pleasant Veterans Day in store for us. Not as warm as we'd like it to be, of course, but that sunshine will help with the temperature feel. And as we head into next week, temperatures will remain about average for this time of year, and sunshine is here to stay for next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Sara. Have a great day.